Running Windows 7 securely in 2024 is really difficult, and we don't recommend it unless you absolutely have to. Often, if you're a manufacturing business, for example, you may have certain machinery that is pretty expensive. It does the job absolutely fine, but it may be slightly out of date, which means it will only run on Windows 7. Sometimes we even see Windows XP. So if that is the case, then here's 5 things that will help you making sure that it stays secure and then all the rest of your network doesn't get affected. Number 1 is limited user privileges. That means make sure if you have to have a user logged in for that machine to then be able to access something else, that they have got the most basic access. Do not make them an administrator. Number 2 is switch to a better browser. The Microsoft default browser will be out of date on that machine. So make sure that you install an up-to-date one that has got updated security patches. Number 3 is try and run Windows 7 as a virtual machine. So this could be that you've got an up-to-date machine running, say, Windows 11, and then you can spin up a virtual machine running Windows 7. However, if it's a physical machine that you need, because it may have a serial port, for example, that's connected to a machine, then this may not work as well. But if you can, always running it in a virtual environment will effectively give it more security from the outside world. Number 4 is be cautious with software installation. Lots of software today has got a backdoor to it where whether it's the writer of the software or maybe how it links to other softwares means that it's accessible online. If you're using a Windows 7 machine, only use it for the things that it absolutely has to be used for. You shouldn't be using a Windows 7 machine for your normal day-to-day tasks and running software that doesn't absolutely have to be run on it. And then number 5, install a dedicated managed antivirus software. Even though the main operating system is out of date, it doesn't mean that you can't have a full antivirus that is fully updated. And also, if there's a software firewall, make sure that that's up to date as well. We understand that some people will be saying you shouldn't be running Windows 7 full stop, but that isn't always the way that a business has to run. And Syn-Star understands this. So if you do need any help on running older machines or potentially upgrading to newer machines, then Syn-Star can help. So please click on the link and we'd love to discuss how Syn-Star can help your business.